Okay guys, check this out. My wife just got me this. It's got here in the mail. It's called FlipFork. But this thing is it's incredible. It's a 5-in-1 utensil. Spatula, right? Obviously for grilling. The fork, serrated edge for tenderizing, which sometimes is necessary even on the grill. The knife, which I heard is very sharp. We'll test that out later. And of course, the most important one, the bottle opener. And it is made of 100% stainless steel, so we don't have to worry about it rusting and stuff like that. Nice weight to it. Yep, we got a family barbecue a little later. I'm looking forward to putting this thing to the test. Why am I trying to do this with a camera in my hand? Okay, I'm a professional. This is yeah, man, it's got a great weight to it. The knife is sharp, like really sharp. Okay, I'm just cut some of these things right here, dice them up. Not bad, right? Okay guys, so I'm convinced I'm not going to be using any of my other tools. This FlipFork, you gotta go check this out. You're gonna love it.